This is about the assembly of the Yummy chair. See how to do it. Take these two legs. Pull off the safety devices, press the button and fold it out. Here you will find the designation R or L. Then attach the legs to the seat. Slide the leg with the letter R into the right side until the number 1 appears in the window. The same applies to the left leg. Here's the result. Now for the assembly of the lower parts of the legs. Note there are wheels at the back. This will make it easier to fit. Pull off the safety devices and push them into the upper parts. The snap fastener secures the legs. You fold the front the same way. Now to fit the cover. Slide it onto the seat from above. And fix the sides by wrapping the material around the armrests. Now just secure with hooks. Assemble the tray. Pull the buttons underneath it and slide it into the guides. And now the Yummy is ready for some fun together. Using the handle at the backrest can be adjusted in 3 positions. To adjust the height of the chair, you need to use the buttons on both sides at the same time. The height of the footrest can also be adjusted using the side buttons. The belt must be adjusted to the child's height. They must be pushed into the openings at the right height and the buckles secured at the back. Pull the top tray off in a single motion, and the entire tray can be hooked up to the legs at the back when not in use. The chair can be folded down like this. Press the grey buttons on both sides and move the legs towards each other. And thanks to the rear wheels, you can easily take it with you or put it away. To remove the belts, pull out the loops at the back and bottom, and we pull the belts out with one dynamic motion. That's all about Yummy.